Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to our channel, and today we're doing something insane. We are making, get ready for this, a mac and cheese bun impossible burger stuffed with more cheese. With more cheese, yes, heard that right. This video is not sponsored by Impossible Burgers, although you guys know I'm absolutely obsessed and I love them. I love the company, I love the people there. So you know what, I'm just an enthusiast and I'm making this. It is absolutely insane, it is ridiculous. I know you're gonna comment, Eitan, who would ever eat that? The answer is the guy wearing camo. That's who eats it, and you guys should too. Let's just get started by making a super quick, very easy, but delicious mac and cheese. All right, let's go. Okay, so over here to start, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some macaroni, some elbow pasta, and put them in some boiling salted water. You want that to be salty like the sea, and we'll cook that for about 7 minutes, I think it says on the container, until it is nice and al dente. Also, and over here we have, oh, it's kind of smoking, got it too hot. We have a nonstick pot. We're gonna add half a stick of butter and 1/4 cup of flour to make a quick roux. All right, our roux has gotten some nice color, so I'm gonna start adding in our whole milk slowly and then continue to incorporate it until it becomes a full, nice mixture. Okay, now that our milk has now come to a boil, we're gonna add in our cheddar cheese and our Munster cheese. As you can tell, there's a lot of cheese. This is gonna be a cheesy mac and cheese. Just mix that all together. Our cheese sauce came together and our pasta's finished cooking, so now I'm going to drain our pasta and add it straight into the cheese sauce. And mix this all together to fully coat the pasta. Season with a little bit of salt and a few cracks of pepper. I'm going to pour it into a 9x13 baking dish. Okay, so our mac and cheese has now become this solidified block, which does not look appealing right now, but it will look appealing soon. So we're gonna use this little kind of hamburger bun shaped cutter, and we're gonna place this on top, and we're gonna cut around this to form our bun. So just use your knife and go all around. Slide this under, and bam, there you go. Now, this is a little too thick, so what I would do is I would just kind of slice it on top to make it about an inch tall, but I happen to already have, in the interest of time, I already have two over here that I prepared, because what I did is I cut them, I then leveled them out, put them back in the fridge so they stay nice and firm, and now it's time to coat them. So I'm just gonna take some panko breadcrumbs, add them to our freshly grated Parmesan cheese, because why not add more cheese at this point? Start by putting it into the breadcrumbs mixture, then take it, place it into our egg mixture, and place that back into our breadcrumbs and fully coat that. So over here I have some of the Impossible Burger meat, and as you can see, it looks like real meat, which is kind of cool. And I'm just going to kind of make a little well in the center because I'm actually gonna stuff it with more cheese. So let's just place some cheese right into there, and then take some more of that meat and place it on top. And basically we're just gonna try to encapsulate all that cheese in a bunch of meat. Meat. All right, let's start by frying one of our buns. I'm gonna take this big bun right over here and carefully add it to our oil. And now that should fry for about 3 to 4, maybe 5 minutes. It really depends on your oil, but till it's nice and golden brown all around. Meanwhile, I'm going to take our frying pan and I'm going to heat up some oil in there so we can fry our burger. Okay, now to the burger, I'm just going to season the top with a good amount of salt, some freshly cracked pepper, and then let's just place this right into the pan to start searing. Okay, our first bun looks like it has finished deep frying. It is nice and golden brown. Look at that. And now let's add in our other bun to deep fry. A little bit of salt and pepper on the other side. And let's give this a flip and look at that crust. Bam, look how good that looks. All right, I think our other bun is now also nice and golden brown, and let's place this on here to drain. Our burger's almost done, and this is coming together. I think this should be ready in like a minute. All right, it is now time to build our burger. Let's take the buns over here, and I'm gonna take this as the bottom bun. This is intense. All right, we got our bottom bun right over here. We got our Impossible Burger just finished cooking, and we're gonna slide that on top of here. I know what you're thinking, Eitan. This is ridiculous, but just give me a chance, trust me. All right, now we're gonna take our top bun, place it on top of there. Look at that. Is that not the most insane burger you've ever seen in your entire life? Oh my God, this is like the most exciting moment of all time. All right, we're cutting through. Are you ready for the reveal? Done. Can we get a drum roll, please? Bam! That is how you make a mac and cheese bun, Impossible Burger stuffed with more cheese. That's how you do it. Guys, comment down below, is this the most insane burger you've ever seen in your entire life? Look at that. We got cheese outside. We have the rare burger on the inside. This is the most insane burger ever made. Don't even try me. Don't even try me. Comment down below if you want to try me, but just don't. I win. It's the craziest burger ever, okay? Thank you. Case closed. All right, I'm sure you're like, Eitan, how on earth are you gonna eat this? So this is what you do. You gotta just kind of stretch, crack your neck, because you gotta take it and you just gotta do like a hunch over and just take a ginormous bite. Are you ready for this? Let's give it a try. Oh my God. Heavenly. Now we know what you're thinking. You're probably like, Eitan, you're just saying it's good because it looks good. No, this is delicious. It is actually insane. Guys, let's just break it down for you. On the outside of the buns is a nice crispy coating of those panko breadcrumbs, and then inside is soft, cheesy mac and cheese. It is absolutely insane. It is literally mac and cheese wrapped up in a little present. It is just incredible. Then you have the Impossible Burger that is super savory and delicious. The outside is nice and crispy. There's a nice sear. The inside is still nice and medium rare with that gooey cheese on the inside. So it's like double cheese and then another bun on the inside, like the bottom. I'm literally like, I can't even talk. I'm super pumped. Guys, I know this is a crazy one, but I challenge you to try to make this at home. And if you do, please send me a picture. I will post it on my Instagram story, because if you put all this effort, like, you got to get some credit for it. I mean, this is pretty bomb as hell, if I may say so myself. And yeah, I mean, I don't think I have anything else to say. Comment down below if you've ever seen a burger crazy than this. I want to hear. And hit that like button if you enjoyed watching. Hit that big red subscribe button, because I feel like after this, you just got to hit it. I mean, if you haven't already been watching my videos this whole time, you're like, I'm not going to hit it right now because of this. So you'll be the first one when I post new videos. All right, if you need me, I'm just going to devour the rest of these, because it's a freaking mac and cheese bun burger stuffed with more cheese. Yeah. All right, bye.